Alright, today we are unboxing, opening, not some low heat, some high heat, the Union Air Jordan 4s. Got them in the mail the other day and waited to open them here. This is my raffle ticket that I went down, got at the Union store in LA, waited in line with a mask, social distanced. They had security. It was pretty good. Had to run down right before work. It was a little nutty, but managed to get an entry ticket. And yeah, we got lucky. Now, for the grand unveiling. Because you guys don't have any patience, so we're just going to get right into opening it. Hold on. No one online has patience for nothing. Alright. Whoa. So Union, as everyone's seen, all the pictures, just like killed it with the packaging, the release, everything. I think it's really cool how they didn't just seed VIPs with their shoes and apparel, but they gave it out to local black-owned business owners and let them and worked with them for those packages they handed out. So I thought that was really cool. But right away, I mean, that silhouette of Michael's hands shooting a J, that is pretty unique for any shoebox. Love this. Paper signing autographs. And here's the grand unveiling. I chose the Guava. Everyone is just hating on the leaked pictures of the Noirs. And, of course, ironically enough, the Noirs are actually going for more on resale right now. Just shows what the internet knows, thinks, how fickle they are. A bunch of lying scumbags. But, anyways, I vibe with these. I tend to gravitate towards white shoes, lighter color shoes. I do have the occasional black pair of shoes, but this is amazing. So they got the sewn tongue right there. A little unique feature. I heard in the Chris Gibbs wrote in a little interview that during the initial design meeting he wanted to shorten the tongue, cut it off, and Nike Design said no, but they came to a compromise with a sewn-in tongue. I think I'm going to leave it that way for a bit, if I do wear these, leave it that way, and then eventually snip and unfold the tongue completely. But they got the same yellowing on the sole, extra laces, yellow laces. I mean, this is such a dope shoe. I don't even know what to say. Again, the packaging. The Jordan 1 package, which I got also, maybe I'll do a video on those. The Jordan 1 Unions are also amazing packaging and amazing shoe, but these also. I mean, Union. I'm fortunate to live in Los Angeles. Have the opportunity to get these. Here's the OG Jordan 4 for comparison. Have these dead stock. As you can see, difference. I haven't worn these yet, but someday these go with anything. Like I said, I don't own a ton of black pair of shoes, but this is one I kind of think is a must-have in any sneaker collector's collection. But you can see this, there's a little short, well, the tongue actually really makes the difference, being shorter. But also I feel like, no, about the same height. They're about the same height. But the mesh on the top here is a cool difference. That mesh. Tongue's obviously different. And man, the mesh here along the collar. I think these are so dope. Anyways, You probably already quit watching by now. So let me know what you think. That's such a cheesy line. That's such a cheesy line. Let me know if you want me to do show my Jordan 1s, and maybe I'll attach some photos from waiting in line here. But no one cares about that. All they care about is the shoe. Anyways, maybe I'll do some more unboxing videos. But yep, this is Union Jordan 4. Follow the Lowheat channel.